welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, inexpensive Valentine's Day backdrop that can add a special touch to this special day. Let's get started and have some fun. Make sure you keep watching to the very end of my video because we will be having a Valentine's Day giveaway. Okay, so now that I have the balloons blown up, I'm testing out a couple of options to hang them up on the wall. I'm using some mounting tape and I'm using some packing tape. I got these both from the Dollar Tree. But with the mounting tape, I'm just putting it on the back of the balloons, and then you have to peel off the backing to make it stick. And then I'm just making the packing tape double-sided tape. I just want to see which one works better for me. And just as a tip, you do need to be careful about what type of tape that you put on your walls. Depending upon the paint of the finish that's on your walls, when you go to remove your decorations, some of the tape actually can remove some of the paint on your walls. So do trial and error and make sure you test out some tape that works best for you and works best for your walls. Okay, so double-sided tape is the one that worked for me the best. I end up using that instead of the mounting tape. It was just easier to use, and I liked how it stuck to the wall better, and it was a faster process for me. So I just chose to use double-sided tape for the rest of the balloons. These are Diamond Heart Garland, and they came pretty long. So what I'm doing is now just holding them up to the wall, trying to get the placement for them, and then I'm going to cut them down to the right size. And I'm just using tape to hang them up on the wall. And now I'm trying to figure out how I want to place the rest of the garland on the wall. I'm just holding it up and getting an idea like I did before. And this time I'm cutting it down a little bit more just to make it a little bit shorter to arrange on the wall. Just however you feel like you want to arrange it is fine. If it's one design that you don't like how you have it on the wall, just move it around until you figure out something that you really like. And these are glitter heart cutouts that I purchased from Walmart. I'm just adding the mounting tape to them to help me add them to the backdrop. And the last thing that I'm adding are some love signs. These came from the Dollar Tree and they're really cute. I'm just adding them as a final touch. And here are the final results for our Happy Valentine's Day decorations. Keep watching because now we have additional Valentine decorations. I decorated some more in our front room for Valentine's Day, so please enjoy these decorations also. Okay friends, now we we have our second giveaway of the channel. We have some Valentine decorations to give away. If you have not watched my last Valentine's decoration video, please do so. You will see exactly what these balloons are. These are all the balloons that I used in my last video. This is a balloon kit that we have. Right here we have some I love you heart balloons. We also have some bear balloons, I love you bear balloons. We have the I love you balloon letters. We also have some red heart balloons. We have some foil red heart balloons. And we have the ribbon to hang all these balloons. And you get 1,000 rose petals. For a chance to win these Valentine's decorations, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hashtag Valentine's giveaway to enter. And then check back next week to see if you're a winner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my other Valentine's Day video. See you next week and have a royal day.